So we're going to make flowers out of these egg cartons today. We cut it up like this, make a circle out of this. Then we're going to snip. This is where we can make several variations. Just keep your thumb right in between and pull it backwards. Now you can make them round or pointed. If you want to make them more thin, you can do that as well. There you go. That's one is the second part where I'm not going to snip off too much. Oops. Here we go. There you go. And these, our petals are going to have pointed. Here we go. They're going to be pointed. Now the good thing about working with these is that even the bits that are left behind, we can reuse these as well. You know, when we want to make paper mache, we can use all of this as well. So nothing really goes to waste in this particular craft. The beauty of flowers is that nothing is set in stone. Some of the petals are thin and some of them are outward and some of them are, here we go. Now that this is done, we've got all these over here which we've done. So there's another one which I'd like to show you, where this would be the third one, where I have snipped this part and I'm going to roll it inwards. So I'm just going to just take it inwards like this. Keep pressing it so that you can mold it. Roll it backwards inside. And then you're going to put it in one of these cups this way. So yeah. And now we're going to color these. This is just your regular brown paper. What I've done is I've just cut strips of it And this is what I'm going to roll it up with. There are two reasons for that. It'll be stronger, and at the same time, there we go. I'm using very regular glue, nothing fancy. That's the glue I'm using, Fevicol. I'm just going to wrap this around. So, there we go. That's the first wrap. So I've just taken the same strip and we're going to make leaves out of this. Just wrap it up. Just give it the shape of a leaf. There you go. And just to give it the veins, I'm going to take it this way. Again, we're just going to keep going. Keep going. And there you have it. You're going to get these veins in between. I don't know if you can see it well. There you go. So either I can do this or I can do this and just snip three or four lines over here. That's it. And then you have. So this is where we stand right now. We are going to first place the leaves. I'm just going to decide where they would look best. Keep in mind that this would be the top and this would be the bottom. I'm going to start gluing. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just halfway outside. Maybe at short distance. And we're going to complete it this way. Right now, this is how it's looking. And what we're thinking is, these are the flowers I'll be using. I've done 3 colors. There's a red, there's orange, and there's a yellow. So these are the decide where do we place what. Got all these options here, all of these, and I'm just going to place them and see how I'd like them. Maybe I'll do just a crescent, or maybe I'll just complete the whole thing. Now that the outer side is already done, I'm going to start doing the inside. We'll be filling them with the smaller ones, but we will do at a certain interval so that they don't look too clustered. Just going to keep it facing a little bit inwards so that kind of comes this side. And so I'm going to fill it up. have to take these strings out, which is most irritating. And that's how it looks. I'm going to put buttons in them right across over here. Just go and get some buttons. So I've got a whole lot of buttons here. I'm just going to glue it down. It will stick by itself. There you go. That I realized is you just dab some glue over there, stick it on, and just use a toothpick or to press it down. That way you don't get your finger burned, just like I did.